Welcome to everyone in this Data Science Fundamentals webinar 2. It's day 2, and we are going to learn about the data science scope and their business needs.
Yesterday, we have seen just the roadmap of data science. What are the topics we will be going to cover? And today we will understand the introduction, why we are studying data science. First thing is when you study anything, we should start with why we are doing this. So so today we'll focus more on why, and then we will move to what is it. Right. So you might have some ideas, but here I'll discuss examples, some theoretical ones, as well as we will see live examples that is already implemented. So that is what we are going to cover today. So basically, first thing, how this data science usage help in any business, right? Because this data science is very good at mining the data, means extracting useful, customized information according to business needs or according to your needs, company needs, we can say anything. So, in that scenario, first thing is that it can help us to provide better decisions because we can extract meaningful insights, right? And if we will make better decisions every time, that will increase our sales and overall turnover of the company. So we are talking about companies. So every kind of company we are talking about right now. That can be a transport company, a finance company, a healthcare sector, a agriculture one, any sector we are talking about. So that actually widens the horizon a lot. So there are a lot more companies in every sector which require these two important things. One is to make better decisions. Sometimes human are prone to errors. We are humans. To err is to human, to forgive divine, right? So we can make some errors. We can be biased at some times, but the data which we mine from the historical data, right, from previous month or previous year or previous 5 years, that can't be wrong. That can't be, many times it can't be biased. Sometimes it happens if we look at a small chunk of data. But if the data is large enough, that data can't be biased. If we will take a large number of years, or you may say months, or maybe a product sales in a large span of time, right? So one of the live examples is Google Analytics. So let's see how Google Analytics give you a better insight of the data. Yeah, here it is. So you can see here, you can mine the analytics from Google, right? Auction label data, every kind of graph you are seeing, right? We can also generate for our own purpose, just to explore how this Google Analytics look like. But what we can see in the images is every kind of graph that is possible that helps us to understand any statistics in a better way. So this is what our outcome should be after studying data science. This is what we are trying to do with multiple tools, techniques, programming languages, everything. Everything included, we want something like this, which can give us a good insight. This is a dashboard we are seeing right now. So, if we, other than algorithms, if we able to design it in a dashboard, so it is good and it is actually easy for users to look into the analytics, right? So in Google, if you just run your ad also for any kind of business, it will show you insights. So Google Insights mostly work in that way. It tells you how many people have clicked or visited or seen your website or particular product, what is the highest product that is being sold. So how many people from different countries are getting engaged with your website. So it tells you analytics with many perspectives. So that is what we desire actually. For to give a business a good pace, we want to see which people who are having what kind of interest in lying in which age groups are interested with our products, so that we can focus and provide more sponsored advertisement for those guys. So these are some of the use cases where data science is applied at a particular place, right? So one is demand prediction for manufacturing industry. So what will be the demand of any product in the coming days? One is supply chain optimization in logistics industry, right? So we actually want to fulfill the needs of customers. So where the logistics came into the picture, we just want a proper pipeline working. So where it actually fits, right? Another one is customer analytics in retail industry. Like so in customer analytics, I've already given you some example. Another is recommendation system in marketing and advertisement. Right. So, like we see on our e-commerce websites, we buy a particular kind of product and they start showing us more products of such types. Right. Another one is credit scoring for financial institutions. So this is actually really important, which we use in every day. So here in India, we have this CIBIL score, and this actually help us to get loans or to get the benefits from the government or private banks. So where we can get the loan after our score is above a particular limit. So let me proceed with 6 point. So another thing is sales analytics. So we already seen the example of Google Analytics, and that actually tells you how our website is reachable or the product is bought by the customers. So another one is predictive analytics in healthcare. So healthcare is a very important field right now because in the whole world now, most of the things we want machines to do. And first, we need to, if you have gone through any health checkup in the previous history, there are multiple readings are collected by these path labs. They actually collect your blood samples and give multiple readings, and based on those readings, the doctors prescribe you some medicine or maybe tell you that you're having a disease or you're a healthy one. So basically, this predictive analytics is a very important domain where data science helps us uh, to deliver the important deliverables to to the patients, as well as it is important for doctors as well. So we can design many algorithms based on these statistics provided by these pathological companies, right? Based on our health checkups. So another is weather predictions in agriculture sector. So now, as there are more satellites are launched by different countries in the world, the this weather predictions are getting better every year. So we are having accurate predictions by this month or this time the floods will come or there will be some eruptions, right? Still there is no prediction for the earthquakes. Still people are suffering with that issue because we don't have any predictions still for that, but weather predictions are quite accurate. So and these weather predictions helps in they helps us in better understanding the agricultural needs. So I think this is it for today's session, and um, there is a feedback form I'll share with the people who have joined this call. So please send your email IDs
so that I'll share a feedback form for this session, and that will actually encourage me for the further upcoming webinars. So you can share your email ID in the chat section. And also, if you want to get the recording of this session, that might be available on your email IDs. So I'll send the recording link as well. So you can play and understand and see the concepts anytime. So please write your email IDs in the chat box. Okay. Thank you so much for joining the session. And I'll be hoping that every one of you will be present in the next session. Thank you.